Hey guys, it's Marquez Butler, aka Stinky, and I'm back to show you, to let you know what I ride. So basically, I'm doing a bike check. First off, let's start off with the frame. I ride an Anthony Panza Coke Crew frame, Anthony Panza Coke frame, 20.75 top to with a 12.5 to 12.8 back end. Truthfully, in my opinion, I ride my wheels slant, so it's 12.5. It's like makes a lot of my tricks more responsive and more quick. Like the frame by itself is just more responsive and quick in general. Like it's crazy responsive. Next is my bars. I ride Dan Foley 9-inch bars, 28 wide, and I used to ride 9.65 bars, Goku bars, but I always felt like my tricks were a whole lot sluggish and everything, so I went down to 9s, and it made my tricks a whole lot cleaner, smoother, and everything. I ride 28 wide because I can't like sit up here and ride 30 wide because it's not meant for street, in my opinion. I feel like if you ride 30 wide, it's going to be crazy. If you ride 28, it makes your bar spins a whole lot easier to go, and it makes a lot of your tricks smoother. Grips, I usually ride Sean McKinney Koku grips, but I ripped them the other day during a video, so now I'm riding Snowfu. I can't really pronounce the company. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but Snowfu grips, they're pretty comfortable, but I'm not going to be riding them for very long. I'm waiting until I meet up with Muff to get a new pair. Shout out to Dot Streets and Muff. Next, stem. I ride a Coat Redemption stem. It's pretty like steep in the front. It like I would say its offset is pretty crazy. Like it pushes my bars forward instead of pushing them back, like keeping them at a stance, and it makes tricks like it makes it easier to hop like higher and everything. Next is my fork. I ride the Coat Intervention. I can't pronounce it. I'll leave it down in the link below, description below of what I ride. But I think it's a 19 millimeter is like crazy steep and easier for doing nose manuals and everything. So I would like say, yeah, it like if you're more based on nose manual tricks or like nollie tricks, I would say get this fork. It's like makes a lot of tricks easier. Front wheel, I ride a Demolition hub front and back with Odyssey rims front and back, and spoke DT switch spokes front and back. Truthfully, I'm missing a whole bunch of spokes in the front. Been breaking them daily on every line I'm getting. But I'm gonna as soon as I get home, I'm gonna true them and basically put more. But pegs, I ride Colt Butters 4.5s. I've been riding these pegs for about a year and a half now, and I honestly have to say they're the best pegs I ever rode, and I've been riding for 3 years. They're by far the best I ever rode. They you can go to any rail, any ledge or anything, and it can have no wax on it, and you could still hit the ledge and rail and still slide like it's butter. That's why they're called Coat Butters. I recommend people really buy those because they slide amazingly. Next, cranks. I ride Koku cranks 160s. I used to ride 175s, but I felt like it was too big on me, so I went down to 160, and now makes everything easier. Pedals, I ride the Shadow Conspiracy Slim pedals. They're pretty grippy, truthfully. Like, you don't lose grip no matter in the rain, dirt, like whatever you're riding, you won't lose grip in these pedals, like, honestly. Sprocket, I don't know the full name of the Sprocket, but when I get home, I'm gonna like leave a link, not link, I'm gonna leave whatever the Sprocket is, but it's a 28.2 kink Sprocket. I can't ride 25 Sprocket. Like, I tried, it doesn't really work out, so I went to 28, and I have more pedal pressure and it's easier because I ride a free closer. Don't get me wrong, I don't have no slack now, but with the 28, I definitely have way more pedal pressure than most free coasters should. So yeah. Bottom bracket, I ride a Coke Crew bottom bracket 19mm. It's not, I can't really do crank flips on them because, you know, yeah, my cranks don't flip. But yeah. Coat, the seat post, I ride a Coat seat post. Seat, I ride a Federal Dan Lacey seat. It's really comfortable, actually. Like, when you sit down, really like feel like you're sitting on a couch. It's so weird. Tires, I ride Colt Van tires front and back. I've been riding these tires for like a year and a half now too, and they're meant for all terrain, and they literally make it's like really all terrain. It's perfect. Chain, I ride a Colt Crew chain. It's really like, I don't ride my chain loose. Chain's tight as hell. Yeah, that's about it, truthfully. I'm gonna put a list down below and let you see what I fully ride. If I'm missing anything, I'll put it down. But yeah, I've been literally trying to be out and riding as much as I can during this virus stuff going on. I've been mostly working on my edit. It's getting delayed because I was supposed to drop it April 12th, but we were supposed to have a jam April 12th, and I was supposed to drop it that night, but the jam got canceled because of this. So we're supposed to apparently be getting off of like quarantine May 15th. But I'm gonna try to drop the edit before then and have the jam after we get our quarantine. So be ready for the edit and be ready for the jam. Jam is gonna be crazy. I want everybody out there killing it. I want to see a lot of people out there. The jam is just to go out, have fun, and I want to see what people really have to offer. Because like anytime we go to gyms, I don't get to see as many riders do the stuff that I know they can literally do. So this jam is meant for riders that is out there putting in work, and I want to see them doing it at a gym. Don't worry, there will be prizes, there will be a frame giveaway, everything. You know me, I'm gonna be throwing down with you guys, so you don't have to worry about that. But that day, I will let you know when that jam is, and I will try to drop the edit beforehand and everything. But so far, yeah, been working on the edit. It's coming out good. Got a few more spots I gotta go to. I really can't go to now because security kicks us out daily. But I'm gonna try to go there and get the clip. But yeah, that's my bike check. And thank you for watching. If you liked it, like and subscribe, and I will be doing more soon. Also, I'm going to start vlogging like really soon. Don't like get mad at me if I do, but I'm definitely going to start vlogging. I feel like it's something fun that will really be fun doing. But yeah, yeah. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.